Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chitra. I am a manifestation coach and healer. On this channel, I discuss manifestation, spirituality, personal development. If you are interested in one-to-one coaching courses, packages, all my details are in the description box. Do connect with us on social media platform and you can connect on contact mentioned in the description box. Let's talk about how to make anybody you want, think about you. Can it be done? Can it be done without manipulating them or brainwashing them or doing anything weird like that? And the answer is yes. With laws of assumption, he can make anybody you want think about you. It's easy, it's fast, it's not complicated. It doesn't need to take a long time to work. It actually can work very fast and you can very easily do it even if you are a beginner when it comes to manifesting in law of assumption, and it doesn't manipulate the person at all. And here's why. The reason you can change anybody's thoughts and feelings, and the reason you can make somebody think about you a lot, is because everybody in your reality is just you pushed out. This means that every person in your reality shows up the way you deep down expect them to show up. Their thoughts and their feelings are determined by what you expect them to do, what you believe you are going to do. If you change your assumption and your expectations from a person and stick to this new situation and to the new belief, to the new assumption, the person will change how they show up in your reality. So, for example, let's say that a person is giving you trouble and you are used to them giving you trouble. As long as you do nothing about it, as long as you don't change your thoughts and your expectations and what you tell yourself about this person, chances are this person will keep giving you trouble. If you decide to change the story you tell about this person to yourself and tell a new story, if you start telling a story about how this person used to give you trouble but they are all transformed, now they are so positive, now they are so hopeful, now you stick to that new story, and that will make the person change their behavior. In the same way, if you want somebody to start thinking about you, if you want somebody to be obsessed with you, you can make that happen by just changing your assumption about this person. And there's actually two different steps involved in doing that. The first part of this method is tell a different story. You can use affirmations to do that. So the simplest way to do it is, whenever you think about this person, you are going to tell yourself, oh my god, this person constantly thinks about me. You keep telling yourself, she's thinking about me all the time, she's thinking about me all the time. Whenever this person crosses your mind, this is what you are going to tell yourself. You're going to tell yourself, oh, this person is thinking about me. And you can take it a step further and actually tell yourself, oh, the reason I am thinking about this person is because they are thinking about me right now. Because sometimes when we want somebody to think about us, that's because we miss them. So if this feeling of I miss this person, where are they? What are they doing? Are they even thinking about me? Hits you. You don't want to remain in that feeling of are they missing me? Are they thinking about me? Because this is feeling of lack, and if you focus on these feelings of lack, you are going to manifest reality where you don't have this person is not in contact with you, this person is not thinking about you, because that's your inner state. So whenever you feel that way, in order to stop it and not give it power, I want you to tell yourself, oh, the reason this person crosses my mind because I am telepathic and I know when people are thinking about me, he was just thinking about me. He thinks about me all the time. He thinks about me constantly. She thinks about me all the time. She thinks about me constantly. And this is step 1. You keep doing, and that during that day, whenever the person crosses your mind, you tell yourself, this person is thinking about me so much, I bet to step hours every day thinking about me. The next step 2 is, and this is very important, the reason sometimes it takes a long time to the first step to work for some people is because your self-concept may not be helping your manifestation. If you haven't heard about the self-concept idea before, your self-concept is how you see yourself. So we all have all kinds of beliefs and assumptions about ourselves and how other people see us, how life works for us basically. And if you have lots of those assumptions about yourself that are negative, which is called negative self-concept, and that can stand in a way of your manifestation, and that's why your manifestation may need a lot of time or a lot of effort to work in order to turn things around and make this method work very fast. Make the person you want think about you very soon and not in weeks or months from now. We need to make sure that your self-concept is in line with what you want to manifest. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to observe your thoughts for a day, and I want you to notice if you have any recurring thoughts that won't help this manifestation. Thoughts like, I am not memorable, people usually don't notice me, I am boring, I am not important, I am not at all popular, people easily forget me. If you catch feelings having thoughts like that, I want you to stop and want you to tell yourself that exact opposite, because all those things that pop in your mind is your self-concept. Your self-concept manifests the world around you, because remember, everybody and everything around you is you pushed out. So if you have belief like, I am not memorable, people easily forget me, that doesn't sound like something that would help somebody think about you all the time, because your subconscious mind is going to say, hey, how is this person going to think about you all the time if you are not memorable, if people forget you, if you are not important and you are boring and doesn't make sense. And that's why it's important to change your self-concept, because if you switch your self-concept and you start believing about yourself that I am memorable, people always notice me in the most positive way, people who meet me are impressed by me and think about me a lot, this by definition means that it will apply for everybody, including the person that you want to make think about you. So in other words, it will not just work for this person that you want, but by default everybody will appreciate you, everybody will look for you, will remember you for the good traits that you have. You will stand out in all kinds of positive ways for everybody that is good for you, every person that you want, including this specific person. So I want you to spend the day observing your thoughts in order to catch any thoughts that may go contrary to what you want to manifest. And when you find thoughts like that, thoughts like, I am not important, people don't notice me, what I want you do is, I want you to write them down, and at the end of the day, when you have at least a list of negative thoughts that popped into your mind, I want to take each of these thoughts and turn it into opposite. If you keep thinking during the day, people don't notice me, I am not popular, I want you to make an affirmation that says the exact opposite, like, I am so grateful that I am so memorable to all people, or I am so grateful that people are important to me, and people that I like always remember me in a positive light. So I am so grateful, I am so popular, and everybody loves me. So I want you to take each negative statement and turn it into positive in the form of an affirmation, and I want you to say those of positive affirmations to yourself for 2 to 3 times a day, 3 times a day, or from now, that include in the name of the person you want to make think about you an affirmation that says They think about me all the time. So just to recap you, create the affirmation that says X person thinks about me all the time and I am so happy or grateful that X person thinks about me all the time. Then you follow with the affirmation that says I am happy and grateful that I am so popular and everybody loves me and I am memorable to the people in the best possible ways. Everybody notices me all the right reasons, and use those affirmations 3 times a day for few minutes each times every day, and that will manifest the specific person you want to think about you. It's not complicated, it's not hard, it doesn't need to take long time. It can even work today if you do it in the right way. So try it and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe, hit that like button and hit the bell icon, so whenever I post the new videos, you will get the notifications about you. Thank you.